we did take 8 hours yesterday to set up the the Apple phone. 8 hours. It locked me out. But we played around with it for 8 hours, and then this morning, 3 hours to set up our Apple ID, right?
Apple ID and to purchase.
And what? And the password?
Password and to purchase something. Billing like
The
that.
App Store,
App
and the
Store.
billing, right? 3 hours. 3 hours to get the billing and the App Store plugged in. So um, I know how to start it up by pushing the two levers down. So Daisy, put that down on the floor. This is the first. This is my first experience with the drone. We have everybody in the neighborhood. We've been out here making pictures. Everybody in the neighborhood is out. So, honey, you go over there where the tree is,
Mm.
and you'll see. It wants me to do a check on the propellers, which I just did. Now, now it's looking at me. No side sensors. Bah! Yeah. I'm gonna get you. Okay. Hey, Christian.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna send it over by the ocean.
Okay. Oh wow.
All right, come on over here.
It's so high. Ay! Ay!
Come on over here. I want you to film the screen.
Over there.
Let's send it over to the ocean. And right now, if I turn it around towards us and push it forward, it should come right over to
Ay!
me.
Ay! Patay. Afraid.
Can you see the drone in there?
Yeah.
You can see the drone. Look over my shoulder. Yeah. Hey, oh, look at there's Batman. Look, there's Batman. Batman. Okay, we're gonna go to the ocean. Yeah?
I'll film.
Yeah, you film this.
Yeah. Yeah. It's the ocean.
Okay, now I gotta start looking. in the machine. I could still see the drone. Wow. I think we're doing this live, yeah? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're
I
live.
forgot all about that. Okay, so here's my white sand beach. Let's go up a little bit. There's no wires over there, but there is.
Oh, coconut.
I know. But I can't see the tree anymore. I gotta bring it back. Where is it?
I don't know.
Huh.
Oh, over there on the top.
Over there on top. Okay.
Coconut.
Okay, let's go above the coconut tree. And let's go over that way. A little bit. Which way is it facing now? It's facing that way now. So if I push it this way.
I don't know.
Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go sideways and bring it between the coconut trees. Yeah?
Yeah.
Nothing in front now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're in the middle.
In the middle.
Yeah, in the ocean.
Okay.
I don't know. Where is the talisay?
I know.
But you're so high.
The what, honey?
You're so high.
You want to bring it? Yeah, I don't really want to bring it down.
Yeah.
I want to be able to see it.
Of course.
Okay. Let's give it a 360. That is towards the Bellevue. That's the beach. And we're going to bring it back now because I'm not real sure how much battery is in there. Let's look for the Stanley House.
You see the beach.
Where's the Stanley House?
You need to go back to back.
Over there?
Think so, yeah.
Yeah, like that.
From here.
Okay, let's bring it back. Are we bringing it back? Nope, we're
No.
bringing it the wrong way. Here it comes. It's hard to...
Let's go back na. Coming.
Coming?
Coming back. Oh, coming.
Wow. I'm a drone pilot, baby.
You're filming the Stanley House now.
Oh.
Oh, you're close.
No wires, right?
Yeah.
No. Okay, let's go that way. Let's go visit the neighbors.
Oh, you're in the wire.
Up, down, yeah. Up,
Yeah.
up.
Oy. My arms hurt. Holding. Oh. Going to the beach. Go to the other property. It's motorcycle.
Okay. All right, let's bring it back. We got to go down, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know.
Down.
Left side.
Let's turn it around. Facing towards me, right? Towards me. Not yet.
No, it's from
A
the
little
beach.
more.
Okay. Mosquito. Wait, my arms hurt.
Is it facing me? No, not yet.
No, it's facing from the other property.
Now it's facing us.
Yeah,
Where is it? I can't see it.
here.
It's got in background. I can't see.
Coming from us.
Okay, you stand over there. I want to grab it. I don't want to land it on the grass. So you're watching me.
Yeah. Go down.
Way back man. My first drone flight. Here, you hold the drone. You hold it. And my lovely assistant, my girl, Honey Daisy May. Oop. My sweetheart, the love of my life. The girl of my dreams. The girl everybody loves. The lovely Daisy May. All right, now I'm gonna make it take off. I'm gonna try to, it's gonna take off.
I'm gonna hold it.
If you drop it, you won't. Jim Alva, that was a nice inauguration flight. Yeah, I'm gonna start it up, honey.
I'm afraid.
It's okay.
Take off.
Take off, baby.
Let's take off. I will not use.
Wait a second. Wait a second. You're in the picture, right?
No.
Ready? Here. Here. Oh boy. I'm getting ready here. Yeah, you put it, it's on us now, right?
Hi. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Watch how high up this thing goes. We're gonna put, this thing goes up really high, really fast. It's out of sight now.
Yeah. It's higher than the Sky House.
Oh, way higher than that. It's 85.
How long it's going to get high?
It will go up
From-
9,000 feet, this drone.
You're almost in the sky.
9,000 feet. Almost 2 miles.
Interesting.
Wave. We're on live. Wave to the drone. My inauguration flight.
Allah.
So yesterday, yesterday Daisy and I spent 8 hours because I locked myself out of the iPhone. When I say locked out, I mean locked out. It froze up the phone solid for 24 hours. And when we finally got it on this morning,
Hello, ate. Laro sa grass.
what happened?
I'm saying hi. Hey, Laro sa grass.
It won't hit us because it's got obstacles. Let's go say hello to Nana.
Cannot see. Oh.
Hello, Nana.
Drone na.
I don't know what that is. It's a magic.
Dulaan. Dulaan. Oh.
Imagine that, Nana's first drone, yeah? What, honey?
I will pee.
All right, we're gonna, I don't know how much battery. Where does it say battery on here?
29. To your phone. Oh, I don't know. What's 29? I see something 29 on the top.
29.
28. I don't know what's that.
I think that's the battery. All right, well. For those of you who wanted to see what it would be like to see if I'd be able to fly the drone, I think I did an okay job. Okay, now I'm gonna stay there.
I will be.
All right. All right, you. Here, you hold the drone. A little hot, but not that much. Okay, let me have this. Okay, well.
What this? Over there?
Yeah, you could put this over there also. Okay. All right, so now I am a treetop flyer. Yeah, I think I have the hang of this now. I would have sent the drone out further, but we spent 8 hours setting up the phone. If we locked up the iPhone, I got to tell you something. And all kidding aside about the iPhone, on to reconnoiter the Philippines, baby. And Cebu was inside Dumaguete, Bohol, Cebu, Argo, where the whale sharks are. I want to bring it out on the boat down there. And of course, the great Aloe de Winter just left me a message. I'm going to make sure that Aloe and I are going to tour the Philippines, baby. It's going to be hard to keep him out of the live streams, but well, I'll do the best I can. And he's also going to get a jester's mask, so that he will be the one to hold the drone on takeoff and landings, and he'll have a jester's mask on with the clown type of thing. Aloe and I are we're really excited about getting together and flying the drone, because he's going to bring a couple of men with him, and one is from Switzerland, I think, and one is from Germany, and they're both divers and both certified scuba divers. They're patty divers, so we're all going to go dive the whale sharks in Cebu if things work out. Right now, that's the plan. So yeah, we're going to have some fun with the drone. I only made a short video today with the drone because, like I said, I got locked out of my phone. I probably put the password and the Apple ID in the phone. If I said 70 times, I think it would be 70 times, because I know I wrote down the Apple ID and I wrote down the password. This is something you people should pay attention to. So, but one of the first things I did is it asked me to initialize facial recognition. So you have to put the facial recognition on and go like this. Rotate and side to side. And then it beeps and it tells you that your facial recognition has been installed. However, when it asked me for my Apple ID and my password, it wouldn't open up the phone. And then there's a screen password too. So I had everything right. I put everything in order. I put everything capitalized properly. And it said that this ID is not recognized. And I'm going, but I wrote it down, and I'm the only person. It sent the mail to my email address. I've started a new email address. So it sent a mail to my email address saying that, and that now I have like, one mail, but it wouldn't open up the phone. So from 12 o'clock yesterday afternoon, after my live stream, until about 5 minutes after 8 at night, I kept watching videos, putting one thing in after another, and then right around 8 o'clock, I see something in one of the videos that not a video, one of the screen shares. It had words, and it said, if you have initialized facial recognition and your phone doesn't work when you put your password and your Apple ID in it, it means you're not looking at the phone squarely, face to face. So today, at about 12 o'clock, because we had some other stuff to do in the morning, and at about 12 o'clock, I turned on the phone, and I looked squarely into the phone and put in my Apple ID, and my facial recognition acknowledged it was me with my password. So we spent hours trying to circumvent that. There's a place online you can pay $100 and they open up your phone for you. I didn't do that. After that, I wanted to get the Fly More app, which is free. The Fly app, FLY, DJI Fly. It's a free app. I wouldn't install. It kept asking me for my Apple ID and my password. It just wouldn't install. And it wouldn't tell me what I should do. So I watched videos from YouTube online, and that video showed me that you have to set up an account. And how you set up your account is you put your credit card or your debit card in there, or a Gcash or a smart wallet. So Daisy and I, it took us 3 hours, because the Philippines does not have street addresses. And then the phone number that I wanted to use is my phone number, but the phone number that's in the phone is a different phone number. So there you have to change, use a different phone number, because I was putting in my phone number that I've been using for 3 years, and it wanted to use the phone's number, and it wasn't saying why it wouldn't accept my phone number. Boy, I tell you what, the whole time Daisy was going, Apple, pain in the neck, Apple is no good. And I'm going, yeah, I got that. Every time I put the password in, Apple no good. Wow, that was hard to do. So I'm just letting you know that is something that's really hard to do. Jim Alver, nice inaugural fight. Thank you. LaRue Segrest, hello, Daisy. Daisy, LaRue said to say hello. Jim Alver. Yeah, baby. We're going everywhere with the drone. But I have some things that I want to do before I move to another island. I want to get, I have 2 batteries. I'm probably going to order another battery. Now that I have it running, I'll probably order 1 more battery. Because batteries are only good for 27 minutes. That's it. So this battery only had almost 3 bars on the battery, 3 out of 4. And it was down to 1 bar when I shut it off. So, and with drone batteries, in case you guys have a drone and you don't know about drones, on the phone, where I was asking Daisy what the percentage was, the percentage went down to about 27%. That's okay to charge it at 20, 25, 18, 15%. But if you let a drone battery go down to 3 or 4%, that's not good for the battery. It kills the battery. And if you let it go down to 0, it really hurts the battery. So you got to pay attention to the battery and what percentage it's at. So with that, if anybody has a question about drones, just ask me, because I am now officially a drone pilot. And that was, in fact, my maiden voyage. So, did I get to practice? I tried to set up the, there's a practice computer screen that you could set up on your computer. I could not get that to work before I left for Vietnam. And I never tried it again on the way back. So actually it was my first experience. What I learned is it has no side avoidance sensors. So if the drone is not, if it's looking at you or a wall or a tree, it's going to slow down and beep. If it's looking 90 degrees to where you're standing and you push the drone to go sideways, it's going to go into you or a wall or a tree, which is what the obstacle avoidance sensors, front, rear, top, and bottom, stop. But in order to get side sensors, you have to pay another $900 for upgraded, another level up in drones. Like the Mavic 3 has side sensors, but the drone is almost $3,000, which would be really almost 3 times the price of this drone. So if you have a drone with only front, rear, top, and bottom sensors, you really have to pay attention if it's near people not to run it sideways, because it will run into anything sideways. Walls, trees, people, fences, anything. I've seen that happen in the many videos that I have on my playlists. So if nobody has a question, that's it for me for today. I'm going to charge up the batteries, and then tomorrow I'm going to drone the beach, and then I'm going to drone the Bellevue. I think I'll send the drone down to the Bellevue on its own, because it's still in line of sight. I'll probably walk halfway down there, but there's nothing on the beach. There's no, that way, if I'm up 100 feet, I'll clear everything till I get to the Bellevue, and the only thing higher than 100 feet is the Bellevue, and then I'll take a look. Go out to the pier. We're gonna reconnoiter, recon the Philippines, baby. Probably start a new channel, Recon the Philippines, as well. So for now, thanks for watching. And of course, I'm Pink Permy. Say hello to Daisy May. Honey, say hello to LaRue. Oh yeah? I couldn't hear you. That's my girl. That's my girl. My drone assistant. Expensive. Yeah, you might say that. Okay, so Daisy said hello, LaRue. She's involved with, the lady next door has a baby. She just had a baby. So she's involved with that over there. Well, let's go say hello to the people in the pirogue. That's where the adults sit in the pirogue, and the children play around. Guapo. The goat man. The goat man. And there's the goat lady. Daisy lost a lot of weight. She's Niwang now, yeah? When she came here, she was tambuk. Exercise every day. Where's the baby? Sleeping? Tulog? Okay. Okay, you guys want to say goodbye, Amping? Salamat. Daisy. Look at that. It's a picture of health. My girl. Guapa Daisy K. Die Daisy Guapa. Yo. You look like the Incredible Hulk. You drinking gasoline again? No gasoline. Drinking? Tuba. Ah, tuba is good. Good tuba. Yo, you're tambok. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh.
The girlfriend is okay.
No, not my girlfriend. No.
No?
Friend only. Friend only.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay. I will go. Amping, you have a nice day. Amping. Salamat. Okay, ladies. Bye-bye. Oh. Honey, take the battery out. Okay, you push it down on both sides. There's two buttons, one on each side. Yep, those are them. Yeah, baby. Well, to land on the ground here, the grass is kind of tall for that. So I landed it in my hand whenever I landed it, or Daisy landed it in her hand. Plus it kicks up the dust. It's very dry. It didn't rain last night. So landing it on the ground was really not an option. Landing it on that plywood over there is always an option. But my first flight was today. That was it. Just about an hour, almost an hour ago. Okay then. Man in the street. That's a cool name. All right, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to say goodbye because I need a bath. I'm being Permy from the Philippines, baby. That's right. Oy vey. Bye-bye for now.